Welcome to Food Tech Network. In today's video, we will understand the biscuit manufacturing process, the important food safety regulations in India, and how you can start your own biscuit manufacturing business. Biscuit manufacturing is one of the most profitable and scalable food businesses in India. With high demand, easy market penetration, and repeat customers, the biscuit industry continues to grow rapidly every year. Now we will discuss about the biscuit manufacturing process, step by step. Step 1. Ingredient preparation. To begin, all ingredients such as flour, sugar, fat, milk powder, salt, leavening agents, flavors, and water are measured and weighed according to the recipe. Accurate measurement ensures consistent taste, color, and texture. Step 2. Dough mixing. Next, all ingredients are mixed thoroughly in industrial mixers. The dough must be soft, smooth, and uniform. Controlling temperature and mixing time is essential to achieve proper gluten development and dough quality. Step 3. Dough sheeting. The mixed dough is then passed through rollers to form a uniform sheet of consistent thickness. This ensures even baking and proper biscuit shape. Step 4. Cutting and shaping. Rotary cutters are used to cut the dough into different shapes, round, square, cream biscuits, or any customized design depending on the product requirement. Step 5. Baking. The shaped biscuits are then baked in continuous tunnel ovens at 180 to 250 degrees Celsius. Baking time usually ranges from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the type of biscuit. This stage determines the biscuit's color, crispiness, aroma, and moisture level. Step 6. Cooling. After baking, biscuits are moved to cooling conveyors. Proper cooling is essential to avoid moisture condensation, prevent cracking, and maintain crispiness. Step 7. Packaging. Finally, biscuits are packed using automatic packaging machines in pouches, trays, or cartons. Packaging must be airtight to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Now we will understand food safety regulations in India. Important requirements. FSSAI license. Every food business must obtain an FSSAI registration or license depending on its production capacity. This is mandatory before starting any food manufacturing activity. HACCP, FSMS compliance. You must implement food safety management systems, such as HACCP, to identify, monitor, and control hazards at every stage of production. This ensures safe and hygienic manufacturing. GMP and GHP standards. Good manufacturing practices and good hygiene. Practices must be followed. This includes proper sanitation, clean equipment, pest control, personal hygiene, and systematic waste disposal. Quality control tests. Both raw materials and finished biscuits must undergo regular testing for moisture, texture, microbiology, and shelf life. These tests help maintain product consistency and safety. Labeling requirements. Every package must include the FSSAI number, ingredients list, batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, allergen information, nutritional values, and net weight. Proper labeling ensures transparency and legal compliance. Now, we will understand how to start a biscuit business. Step 1. Conduct market research. Identify your target segment: economy biscuits, premium cookies, healthy biscuits made with millets or oats, or bakery-style products. Step 2. Choose your scale of operation. You can start from a small home-based setup, a semi-automatic small factory, or a fully automatic large-scale unit depending on investment and demand. Step 3. Required licenses. You will need FSSAI license, GST registration, MSME, UDM registration, trade license, fire safety, NOC, and pollution NNOC, if required. Step 4. Setup of production. Unit. Select a location with good ventilation, clean water supply, drainage system, and separate areas for mixing, baking, cooling, and packaging. Step 5. Machinery required. Basic machinery includes a dough mixer, rotary cutter, oven, gas rush electric tunnel, cooling conveyor, and packaging machine. Step 6. Raw materials. Common raw materials include flour, sugar, edible oil or butter, flavors, cocoa, milk powder, baking soda, salt, and packaging materials. Step 7. Manpower. You will need skilled workers for mixing and baking, helpers for packaging, and technical staff for machine maintenance. Step 8. Marketing and branding. Use attractive packaging, supply to local grocery stores and wholesalers, and promote your brand through social media. Offer free samples to build initial customer interest. Hope you liked the video. This was a complete overview of the biscuit manufacturing process and how you can start your own biscuit business. If you need more help, feel free to contact Food Tech Network or leave a comment in the description box. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.